Hi, my name is Richard, and today I'm going to show you how to download Netscaler VPX Express Edition, how to install your license file, and basic configuration. It's gonna be a journey for me exploring the Netscaler. Actually, I don't have any experience with Netscaler, and this is how I want to gain some more experience. So it's gonna be a nice journey, you and me, looking at Netscaler and going through all these options to see what Netscaler is capable of. You can download it from the trial software page from Citrix. I took this one, Netscaler ADC. When you download it, you will see that you get a license code. With that license code, you can go to this page. When you have a Citrix account, you can log in and go to all licensing tools within my account, and this section, activate and allocate licenses, is where you manage your licenses and acquire licenses for production, but also for trial software like Netscaler, like the Netscaler software I just downloaded. So my hypervisor is running on VMware, and I already uploaded the file that is for Netscaler, and I'm going to click on File, Deploy OVF Template. This is already the right path, so I'm gonna click on Next. The details of the OVF template, it's all correct. I'm gonna choose another name, NS001, Netscaler 1. In this particular situation, I'm gonna click on Next. It's going to be right here, this resource pool, which is an old one. Don't mind the name, just click Next. I'm gonna choose for fin provisioning. I click Next. This is okay. I'm gonna click on Next, and I'm gonna click on Finish. Now it's deploying the file, turning it into a machine, and it's already done. I click on Close. Before I'm gonna boot up the Netscaler, I'm gonna make some additions to the settings. First of all, I'm gonna crank up the memory. I'm gonna push it to 8. CPUs is good, which is 2. Hard drive, it's on 20 gigs. I'm gonna make it just a little bit more, 25. That should be okay, and I click on OK, and I'm gonna power it on, and I'm clicking on console, and you already see it's booting up, and this is going to take a little while. So I'm gonna click on pause for a moment until the login prompt is there. Alright, and we're back. Netscaler is booted up, and it's asking for basic configuration for networking. It's asking for an IPv4 address, which I'm gonna give right now. I'll choose for 160. This is the NAT mask for that address, and I'm gonna enter the gateway address, which is the 1.1. Then I'm gonna choose for option 4, save and quit. And you can see it's booting further and configuring it further, so I'm gonna pause it for a little while. And right now you can see the login prompt here. So Netscaler is done booting and configuring the basic things. and you can go to your browser and you type in that IP address that you gave earlier, which is the 160 in my case. Username is nsroot, default password is also nsroot. Then you log in and you will see the first page is a configuration page. I'm gonna give this IP address 161. Oh, almost made a typing error right there. And that is also on netmask 255.255.255.0. Host name I'm gonna stick with NS001. DNS IP I'm gonna take this one from the router, which is default 1.1. I'm going to choose my time zone, which is appropriate for me, which is Amsterdam in the Netherlands in Europe. So now you know from which country I am, if you didn't already know. I'm changing the admin password. Also it's not required, but it's suggested you do that for security purposes. A little overview of the system, and then you see browse, upload license files. As I explained earlier, you'll get it from the license code, and then go to your account on citrix.com and go to the activate and allocate licenses section. For now I'm gonna click on browse. I'm already in the right folder, so I'm gonna click the license file right here. I click on open, and ta-da, updated successfully. I'm gonna click on continue. Manage licenses, yes, it's this one right here. Then you click done. It's asking to reboot. Click on yes. And we're back at the login prompt again. It's been rebooted, and as you can see right here is the host ID that you need for your license file. And you need to, like I explained, click here, don't see your product, and eventually you will be asked for a host ID, which is this one. You will have to enter that into that text box, and then when you click continue, it will generate a license file for you that you can download and that you can upload like I did earlier. And as for now, this is pretty much the first part. So till now I imported a machine for VMware, which is Netscaler VPX Express Edition, and I also installed a license file for trial purposes. And that's the conclusion of the first part, and I hope to show you more in the near future about Netscaler. Till then, bye.